Hello students, welcome to 2025 Spring Math 13-16 Trigonometry class. And with this video, I will go over our syllabus rules. When we go inside the class, when we click on the content, there are some modules here that we're going to visit. And first, we're going to visit the module syllabus. And here is the syllabus you can download and you can read the rules. And now, when you look at this syllabus rules, this is my email address. Whenever you need to consult me anything, please feel free to send me an email. I did teach every section in this course on a YouTube video, and then I created a playlist. In order to access to this playlist, you're going to click Control and click together on the syllabus, Control and click together, and it's going to open the link for you for all the playlist items. And then if you actually go to the channel, you can access to the Math 13-16 videos altogether here. 7.4, we're gonna... From this playlist, the very first lesson you're going to study will be 1.1, and then you can listen to the video and you can do your homework if you like. Now, that's one thing. I created a whole playlist for you for the 13-16 sections. This is the course section. This course is an online course. It's a 48 lecture hours. You can read the details of everything. This will be the textbook we're following. You don't have to buy a physical book, but everyone who's taking this course, they have to purchase a MyMathLab access code to take the tests, to take the final exam, and do all the homework. Without the MyLab access code, this class is impossible to do. If I do have any modification on the syllabus, I will send you an announcement through D2L, and I will inform you about the changes. Again, this class is handled completely on Pearson MyLab website, and you have to pay a fee to access this access code. If you are not able to afford the code, I don't have any codes to give to students. Please consider your financial situation before you take this course. Please pay attention to the due date for the assignments on the MyMathLab. Since this is an online course, I will not be able to take attendance day by day, but I did make a couple of the first assignments due within the first week of class, so I can report your attendance to Lone Star system carefully. If you want to reach to me, do not send me an instant message via D2L, but instead send me an email through my Lone Star email address, so you will get an answer faster than me. If you email me Friday afternoon, you will not get a response from me until the Monday. For this course, late work is not accepted. If you don't submit any assignment by the due date, it will be a 0. Also, the D12 class gradebook sets up all assignments to default grade of 0. Once you do any assignment, you earn your grade and D12 gradebook will be updated. There will be no makeup chance for any missed homework, quiz, or test. Please pay attention to the due dates. For this course, official day of record is January 27th, 2025. If you want to withdraw from this course, the due date is April 1st, 2025. And please read every single line here for the withdrawal policy, 6-drop rule, and everything else. If you need to access to our department chair for any issues, this is her contact information and her phone number. For this class, your grade will be determined using 3 different things: homework, tests, and final exam. We have homework created under MyMathLab, and all homework grade will affect your grade by 30%. You have 4 tests to take, and these tests are only 1 attempt. They are under quiz category on MyMathLab, and each test is going to affect your grade by 10%. The last assignment you're going to do is the last week of the semester. You will take a final exam. All cumulative includes all the chapter questions. It's under the test category, and the final exam will affect your grade by 30%. And these are the points you have to achieve to earn these letter grades. This is an outline of what this course covers. So if you're skipping any lesson, the lesson list doesn't have that title. For example, in chapter 1, we're only doing 1.1, 1.3, and 1.4. So 1.2 will be skipped. And we have an assignment for all of these sections on MyMathLab, and you can follow your schedule from this outline, and you can see when am I taking my first test. Your first test is whenever you finish your assignments for all chapter 1 and all chapter 2 lessons, then you're ready to take your first test. And then whenever you study chapter 3 and chapter 4, finish all the homework questions, you will be ready to take your exam 2, and it will be under quizzes again, and then you're going to have only one attempt. Whenever you finish your chapter 5 and chapter 6, you will be taking another test called exam 3, and it will be over chapter 5 and chapter 6. Finally, whenever you finish chapter 7 and chapter 8, you will be ready to take your next exam under the quiz again. It will be over chapter 7 and chapter 8. The last week is dedicated to final exam. Final exam is located under the test on MyMathLab, and that's going to be your grade. And you can read every single detail on the syllabus to understand the whole rules.